unboxing of Blaupunkt 2.1 Soundbar.
Welcome back, YouTubers. If you're searching for a good soundbar under 5K price range with loads of features, then this is the one. Let me tell you that I have read lot of expert reviews. I have even gone through some of the end user experience, the people who have actually bought this product and how they feel about it. I have watched loads of videos before deciding this product is the best fit under 5K price range. Blaupunkt is an iconic German brand that has developed cutting edge audio technology since 1924. At one time, they captured the motor audio industry. Almost 80% of all the cars in India had their speakers installed. Today, this is a legendary audio tech German brand that is available in India with superior quality range of audio product. Inside the box, you will get a remote, user manual, wall mounted screws, one auxiliary cable and one line cable. Soundbar has two built-in woofers and two built-in speakers. These four speakers work in unison to give you 100 watts of pure audio reproduction. They are twin 3-inch subwoofer along with dual 2-inch full range speakers drivers, which enhances the bass response and add a deep, rich experience. Soundbar weighs 3.5 kgs. It supports Bluetooth, HDMI ARC, USB, optical, aux, and line connection for your various devices. No soundbar in this price range will give you all the connection, that too visible in front with a digital LED display for instant information. If your requirement is to have an immersive sound experience without added components such as woofer, then look no further. I have read all the reviews for MI soundbars, Japtronics, Boats, and JBL and compared each of them with my four factors, namely price, feature, build quality, and performance. And when I did those, Blaupunkt sounded music to my ears.